Many of you have been complaining, banji mubaddemu complaining anti muguddewo accounts, but your accounts are not showing Partner HQ. Okay, kino ngenda kibanguyiza. I'm going to make this easy for you. Muguddewo accounts zammwe teziraga Partner HQ, tezibalaga wa uploadingira. You've opened up accounts, they are not showing you where to download from, where to upload from, and they're not showing a Partner HQ on Dailymotion. What do? You're going to open with a browser. Yeah, I have, you see many, like you can say, have Chrome. So I'm going to use Chrome. Funa browser gy'osobola okukozesa mu ssimu yo nga si app lwaki browser ekulaga features endala enkweke. Why we are using a browser, it is simply because that it will show you other hidden features. So I'm going to use Chrome, that it will show you other hidden features that the app is not going to show you. So let me use Chrome and we get kankozese Chrome sobola ogenda maaso. So nja kugulawo Chrome nteekemu nti Dailymotion wano. Dailymotion already nkiina, so I'm just going to do that. Okay, I hadn't logged out. Let me log out so that nkulagewo ekigenda okuappearinga. This is how it's going to appear. Okay, this is how it's going to appear when you put. Then, like as usual, you will when you open people have this. Okay, people are opening via Chrome and what, and it's giving them this. This is what it is doing for you. You understand? It is showing you like that. Okay, so what do? You can log into your account. You can log into your account. Yeah, you can log into your account. Wokirikinga ku buno obuti obusatu ejja kuleetera kino. Wokirikinga wano ejja kuleetera sign up, sign in. So it's all the same. So what you do is you just simply sign in. You can click on this command here, also clickinga mukana akasajja, also clickinga ku buno obuti kyonna ekikukolera. You sign in with Google, right? Okay, but then this is let me go back. So sign in with Google. Nja kusayininga mu account yo yonna gy'oyagala. Yange gye nsayininzeemu yeeyo efaanana bwetyo. You can sign into any of your account using whatever you want. So it will bring you this. Okay, it will bring you this. It will bring you here after you have signed in. It will bring you this blue man. It will bring you Dailymotion settings, this and that and that. So what you do, just simply scroll up to the bottom. Kyokola kyangu nnyo, ejja kuleeta wano ku Dailymotion woonaaba omaze okusayininga in. Okay, ejja kuleeta wano. Kyokola just scrollinga paka wansi awasembera ddala okitegeera. Okilikinge waliwo kyenjagala oklikingeko ze terms. Oba okiraba waliwo wano privacy and cookie policy. Okay, then mu maaso gaakyo waliwo nti terms. What you do after logging in on your browser into your account, don't click anything else, just scroll up to the bottom. Okitegeera, when you scroll up to the bottom ojja kulaba ekintu kye bayita nti ojja laba wano waliwo obugambo obuli faded ng'ovudde wano ku help center. Waliwo policy and cookie policy. okitegeera ova ku help center waliwo policy and cookie policy kati ekikiri maaso kiri terms kati gwe clickinga ku terms awo kwata mu terms mwekyo ekigambo kigamba nti terms ndowooza oziraba eno kano ke baleese tokafaako don't mind about what's up there just continue just scroll up to down scrollinga paka wansi eno awasemba scrollinga paka wansi eno awasemba abaagala eno video mujja gisanga ku YouTube channel yaffe gye bayita Opinion TV group. Scroll up to the bottom, okay? Scroll up to the bottom. Now, at the bottom, when you enlarge, these are the features that are hidden that I was talking about. When you enlarge, ojalabe ekigambo wano at your bottom left, at your bottom right, your bottom right hand waliwo ekigambo ekigamba nti partner app. Wano waliwo jobs, waliwo help center, jobs, API, then wabeerawo partner app. Okitegeera ndowooza tukiraba ffenna kikino ekigambo kiri partner app kyekisembayo wano wansi woba scrollinze, so kyekisembayo. So what you do, you click this word partner app or clickinga mu kino ekigambo ekigamba nti partner app. Katukiclickinge tulabe ekigenda okujja. Become a partner kyekizze ndowooza mukirawo obwedda mwenna kye munoonya become a partner. So what you do is simple. Tonoonya kirala nti oyagala kufuuka partner, kati tonoonya birala, bino ebirala tebimataringa. The rest don't matter. Now you're here already. Just click on this word be a partner or become a partner. So kyokwatamu kino ekigambo kyennyini become a partner. Nga kiwedde ndowooza mukirabo nga kiwedde kati it's already done. How do we verify that? How do we check? Let's check and see. Clicking wano watch experience, let's check and see. Then you come, then this was our first channel, right? Then clickinga wano mu kasajja akasooka. Okitegeera okebera otya? How do you check? Clickinga mu kasajja akasooka wano. Ndowooza olaba yo channel Partner HQ na buli kimu era clickinga wano mu Partner HQ okutwala straight or uploading the movies. Ondowooza okiraba kati onyinga just wano ku upload n'oteekayo video era olabira earnings zo na buli kimu. Ndowooza eno video was very helpful, so you click on, that's what you do to see if you have made partner. That's what you do. Just come here, just come and click on your channel down here. Understand? Then you click on watching experience. No clicking, I'm watching experience one. Then it will bring you back to the first channel to the first page when you logged in, where there is this Dailymotion, this search button, and these 3 slashes. Then you just click in the command in white up. When you click in this command, it will bring you your channel, Partner HQ, and the settings. So what you do, you click Partner HQ to go and start uploading movies. Once you see that you have Partner HQ, it means that you have made partner, so you can start uploading your movies and wait for viewers so that you can start earning. I hope this video has been helpful. Please continue supporting us on all our social media platforms. Mr. Opinion, love you guys. Peace.